Hey guys, what's going on? Joshua Elder here. Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to give you the top 7 affiliate programs for beginners here in 2019. So if you're excited for this video, go ahead and give me a like, subscribe to the channel. As you know, within our channel, we teach you how to build a life and business full of freedom, passion, and fulfillment. Don't forget to tick that bell icon to be notified of all future videos that I upload when I upload them. And without further ado, let's get into these top 7 affiliate programs for beginners here in 2019. So as you can see right here, the first affiliate program is known as Amazon. A lot of you guys know about Amazon. Amazon is by far the largest e-commerce store out there. It's well trusted. Their customer service is absolutely amazing. So why not leverage their brand and their authority to build or grow your online business? So what you can do is you can build these little niche sites that might be in the areas of clothing. It could be electronics. It could be like a sub niche of electronics. It could be computers. It could be televisions. You can have a YouTube channel that does product reviews. You can have a website that does product reviews. And then you can have a custom affiliate link that Amazon gives you that you then share with people. And when they decide to purchase from your website, and I believe there's like a 30 to 60 day cookie duration, which means if somebody lands on your website, they click an affiliate link, then they decide to continue researching for the next few weeks, and then they come back and decide to purchase that product that you initially sent them to, and really any other products, then you actually get the commission, not just on that one product, but all the other products that are involved. So Amazon does pay anywhere between 2% all the way up to 10% in advertising fees, as you can see right here. And it's free to sign up. You can get started just by clicking the Get Started button right here. So that's Amazon as the first top affiliate program here. The next program is known as eBay. Again, you guys have known, most of you guys, if you're not living under a rock, have known about eBay. eBay actually has a partner network. And if I scroll down here, you can see that there is approximately 1.1 billion listings on eBay to choose from. So there's plenty to share with your followers. So regardless if your niche is underwater basket weaving or if it's in the gardening niche, there's probably something on eBay that you can share with your followers and monetize those followers and start making some money. So eBay, again, number 2, you can actually go to partnernetwork.ebay.com and you can sign up for eBay right here, as well as Amazon.com was affiliate-program.amazon.com. And the third is known as Share a Sell. So as you can see, there are multiple categories in which you can promote products. You've got popular merchants right here. You got home and garden, fashion, green, business, and then more over here. So if we were just to go to more merchants, you've got art and music, family and kids, food and drink, education, health, sports, wedding. And then if we click on, for example, business merchants, you can find, for example, this merchant Grasshopper, you've got Pear, Custom Ink, Checks Unlimited, Bags and Bows. A lot of these I haven't even heard of. So Share a Sell also partners with a lot of different companies and a lot of different industries. Here's an example right here. This specific company, Studio Press, will give you 35% commission on every sale you make. So Share a Sell is an actual network that houses many different businesses, and you can promote those businesses and earn commissions like you notice here in Studio Press, 35% commissions. And I'm sure depending on the company will determine the commission that you get. So again, you can sign up for Share a Sell right here by clicking affiliate sign up. Once you sign up, you'll get access to all these different businesses and your affiliate links. So when you share those affiliate links, you'll obviously get the credit for it. So Share a Sell is number 3. Number 4 is known as ClickBank. I talk about ClickBank in many of my videos. ClickBank is one of my favorites because you make the most with digital products, and that's what ClickBank offers. ClickBank is a marketplace just like an Amazon or a Share a Sell or an eBay that has many different products that you can promote. You can see if we scroll down right here, they have products from the internet marketing niche to the muscle building niche to the relationships niche, so on and so forth. So what I love about ClickBank is the payouts are higher because most of these products are in fact digital, so people can download them instantly to their computer, and people don't have to worry about, the merchants, the product owners don't have to worry about creating the product, manufacturing, dealing with all the overhead headache. They can, sell a product for $100, offer 50% commission for you, that's $50, and not really have to worry about too much other overhead other than that. So ClickBank is another great marketplace. I have many different videos in my YouTube channel that goes into more detail about ClickBank. If I actually log in here, let me go back real quick. You can actually see you can create an account right here. You can also log in right here after you create your account. Now ClickBank is not available in all countries. So you're going to want to make sure that when you create an account, if it does not allow you to create an account, you're unfortunately in a country that doesn't allow you to become a ClickBank affiliate. So I know it's available in the United States, Canada, most countries. I know India is a country, unfortunately, ClickBank is not allowed. But all you need to do is create your account, connect your banking information. ClickBank is secure, okay? ClickBank's been around for over 20 years, over a couple decades, and they've paid out on time every time. They paid out billions of dollars to their affiliates. So it just goes to show you that it's an incredibly reputable company. So I can actually go to reporting here and paychecks here. You can actually see my paychecks from 2019 and 2018. So that's ClickBank. Number 4, coming in at number 5 is Commission Junction, another one of my favorites that I got started with as a beginner. So Commission Junction is much like, an Amazon, eBay, or a ShareASale. There's just more opportunity to promote other businesses. So when you get access to all these affiliate networks, you're not going to fall short of the different options that there are in different industries and different, companies and products that you can actually promote. So all you need to do is scroll down and go to sign up right here. And what you'll want to do is become a CJ publisher. And once you set up your account, once again, you'll get access to the affiliate area and all the products so you can start promoting. Number 6 is known as Partner Stack. Partner Stack is an affiliate program that specifically houses software products. So a lot of these products might look familiar to you, like QuickBooks, Intuit. Essentially what these are, they're all SaaS companies. And so what you can do is you can promote, like Evernote, you can promote any of these SaaS companies on behalf of Partner Stack. And so if somebody purchases Evernote subscription, for example, you're going to get a commission off of that. So this affiliate network is different than like a Commission Junction and an Amazon in the sense that it purely focuses on SaaS companies. So the final affiliate program that I would recommend, and believe it or not, I did not know that Fiverr had an affiliate program until just recently, but you can refer people to Fiverr, and when somebody purchases a gig from Fiverr, you get a commission off of that. So you can see that you get paid up to $150 per action. That's what CPA means, cost per acquisition. So all you need to do is click on Start Earning Now right here, and you can go ahead and sign up and create your affiliate account. So Fiverr really focuses on done-for-you services. I get all my YouTube thumbnails done by Fiverr. I get some voiceovers done by Fiverr. I get my SEO work, some of my blogs written by Fiverr. So Fiverr is a great done-for-you service that you can actually use for your own business and then refer other businesses and earn a pretty good commission off of that. So with that being said, I hope you got value from this video and these top 7 affiliate programs for beginners here in 2019. If you did, go ahead, give me a like on this video, subscribe to the channel, tick that bell icon as always, so you can ensure that you receive future videos on how to really build a life and business full of freedom, passion, and fulfillment. This is Josh Elder signing off, and we'll see you in the next video. And don't forget, if you want to learn how to build an affiliate marketing business from complete scratch in great detail, then click the links in the resources section below, and I'll see you on the next page.